So in this video we are going to know how order by clause is working. So order by keyword is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. So whenever you listen order by, so you know that from uh, ascending order or descending order. From in simple words we can say from 1 to 100 or 100 to 1, like that. Okay, so let's get an practical example. So here we taken a products table, and we are going to select star from products, that is we are getting all data from product table, and we have passed some query such as order by price. We require this all the table values according to the price order given by price. So here we can get 2.5, 4.5, 6, 7. It's in by default ascending order. So let's take an example of uh, descending. For now it's you can see here the values are by default are in ascending order. So if I write this query as to get descending order, we have to write DESC at after the column name. Order by price is nothing but column name, and after that we use DESC. So we are getting the price in descending order. So it's that easy. Now let's take another example of now here we get order by only columns according to ascending for that particular columns. So if I execute this query, then you will get we are getting order by country and customer name. Similarly, we can use for both ascending and descending at same time for two different columns. At so for that we write select star from customers order by country as ascending and customer name as descending. So if I execute the query, then you will see that the customer name, that is we have given descending, so it's going reverse ROCP etc. And whereas country name, here you can see, yeah, it is going in ascending order, A B C, in that way. Hope you like this video and understand the concept.